After exploring how to visit monuments for free, let's prepare you for your trip to Paris with some essential packing tips. Preparing for your Paris trip. Preparing for a trip to Paris is exciting, but it requires careful planning. In this chapter, we'll go over the essentials you need to pack for a comfortable and stylish stay in the City of Light. First, ensure you have all your travel documents in order. This includes your passport, visa if required, travel insurance, and copies of important documents. Carry some cash in euros, along with your credit or debit cards. Parisian weather can be unpredictable, so pack weather-appropriate clothing. Layers are key, allowing you to adapt to the changing temperatures throughout the day. Comfortable walking shoes are a must, as Paris is best explored on foot. Don't forget a few stylish outfits for dining out or visiting upscale attractions. And always bring an umbrella or waterproof jacket in case of rain. Pack your basic toiletries, including skincare products and any medications you may need. A reusable water bottle and a small day pack are also handy for daily excursions. With these essentials in your suitcase, you'll be well prepared for a memorable trip to Paris. Now that you know what to pack for Paris, be sure to subscribe for more helpful guides and visit treasuresofparis.com to get your guidebook for free. The link is in the description. Join us in the next episode where we'll uncover secret accommodation hacks that save you at least 100 euros per night. Keep the notification bell on